All right, guys, you're doing a great job. So far, you've gone over our introduction and our target. You've watched a video that really breaks down our target and talks about what we're going to do today. You watched the video of me reading our article for today. You can always pause this video and read it for yourself if you would like. You've heard me talk about weather forecasting and you've answered questions. You've heard me talk about meteorologists and satellites and you've answered questions about those too. Now it's time to get to your assignment. Turtles, you will click this link. Rabbits, you will click this link. It will bring you to Google Classroom where you will find this assignment. This assignment is going to tell you to use the vocabulary box to write 5 true sentences about predicting the weather. I gave you an example sentence right here. I got all of this information from the reading today. So you should go back and watch those videos if you're not really sure. After you write your 5 sentences, you are going to either turn in, if it's an option, or share with me. Okay, you're going to turn it in or share with me. If that turn in button isn't available, you can go ahead and share it. All right, let's go back to our Google form. After you have completed your assignment, you found it, you can go ahead and submit. And that will be all of your writing for today. Nice job, boys and girls.